ultimately, when you look at the numbers and how much the program is versus the new patient numbers, if you do the math, it adds up, right? So if you look at the math and say it's going to be X amount of money, but then patients bring in X amount of dollars per patient, then initially I was just hoping that it would be even, right? But even within a couple months, we started seeing our new patient numbers skyrocket. And I really honestly don't know what's going on behind the scenes from Smartbox, but I trust them and I see the numbers. Versus other programs I did, I wasn't getting any new patients from my website, and I was dropping off of Google. Now with Smartbox, we have 110 reviews on Google that are all 5 stars, and we have, I believe that we're running through the rankings at Google quite quickly, which is great too. And now you're starting to see more patients. How'd you find us? Oh, I found you on the website, and that's like just such a breath of fresh air to have somebody that says, oh, I found you online, as opposed to prior website companies that I was waiting for somebody to even come in that door saying, I found you online, because it just didn't happen. So again, I don't really know what's happening from the behind the scenes thing, but it's working. And that's all I really care about from a dental perspective. So less work for me, and in essence, more work for me. We were struggling with other marketing places that kind of overpromise and underdeliver, to say the least. And very frustrating to invest a lot of time, energy, and money into something that you just didn't get the results that we had intended. So with Smartbox, it came along and told us exactly what to expect, which I appreciated. This is where you are, this is something that we can help you with, and from there, there were no real surprises or hiccups or anything like that, and it's been tremendously successful. I think when you've been through this a couple times with different marketing companies, you kind of get a sense of who is genuine and has the right intention behind marketing versus others that are just trying to sell you on some type of outcome going forward. And I've been burned. And I think when you've been burned once or twice, it's something that it wears on you. And Smartbox had a different feel to them. They had a different approach and a different mechanism that allowed for clients to be successful. And there were proven track records time and time again from their clients. And ultimately, I jumped on board and have had a tremendous amount of success with Smartbox.